Are you looking for something a little bit different? Well, why don't you try and grab a deboned and rolled chicken, like I did off Nick out at Gippsland Premium Meats. This little tasty treat weighing in at 1 kilogram. We just need to remove it from the plastic and dry it off. If you're not drinking while prepping your food, well, that should be illegal. Did you know the chicken came first? And it enjoyed it. It's time to add some flavour, and you're going to need something to mix up a marinade in. I'll use this. I'm sorry, Grandma. I need to borrow this. Now I like to keep a quarter of the marinade aside for basting later on. And we're just going to put the chicken into a little heat-proof pan. Today I'm going to be using a 57 centimetre Weber kettle, and I'm pairing it up with 2 charcoal baskets and some original heat beads briquettes, because I want to be roasting at temps of 220 degrees Celsius today. Carefully put your grill back in. Finish off by putting the lid back on, making sure all the vents are wide open, and we're going to give the Weber 10 minutes to warm up. By adding the briquettes to the charcoal baskets at the same time, they'll burn evenly. I see way too many people making the mistake of putting the top half of the chimney into one basket, and those briquettes are barely alight, and the bottom half of the chimney into another basket, and those ones are really alight, and you'll get this uneven heat throughout your Weber. Cooking time for this recipe will be around 1 hour, or for those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 2-beer cook. So, beer me up with a better beer. Now the barbecue's at temp, and I want to track the internal temp of this chicken to 74 degrees Celsius. The only way to do that accurately is by using a thermometer. Put the lid back on and we'll come back in 30 minutes and baste it. If you had 12 eggs and you threw them at a wall, you couldn't eat them, so don't do that. 30 minutes have passed, so we can now baste our chicken. Put the lid back on and make sure you work as quick as you can so you don't lose too much heat. If you find your chicken is getting a little bit burnt on top, you can always cover it with some flexible metal. The internal temp of the chicken has hit our desired temp of 74 degrees Celsius. And I'll let this rest for 10 minutes, as it's recommended to let your meat rest for 1 minute per every 100 grams of meat. If you need to hold the temp of your chicken a bit longer, just wrap it up in flexible metal and an old towel. Now after the resting time, we can slice into it. And the results, super tasty, not dry, but very moist. Some